It is a good morning. I am sick, but I wanted to make a real quick update about what I've been up to because the last few days I didn't really make a video. Some of those days I just didn't trade, and some of the other days I did trade, but I just wasn't feeling up to recording. So I'm just going to quickly go over what's been going on and then I'll continue making videos from now on probably. But yeah, let me just get into it. So I blew my four funded accounts of the 25Ks, so 100K in funding, because I was trying to trade the morning before FOMC, and there was really no reason for me to do that, but I did, and I lost them. To be honest, the real reason I lost them is because I over leveraged. I took a few trades on 3 micros, and then I was like, oh no, I'm losing. Then I took a few trades on 6 micros, and finally I took some trades on 9 micros. So I blew the accounts completely. And yeah, hopefully I've learned my lesson now, because there was really no need to do that. I was only down 300 on the accounts, and I could have easily just waited for better trading conditions, especially since I paid lifetime fees and just gotten out of drawdown. I was doing really well getting out of drawdown, keeping my nerves, but at that point I freaked out a little bit and just started taking really bad trades for no reason on a lot of leverage. So those accounts are gone. But today I passed 4 funded accounts. I bought 10 evals. I was buying them one at a time, so I was buying one, passing or failing it, buying another one, passing or failing it, and I now have 4 new accounts, and I did that with like a 40% pass rate on the evals. So at least I got all my evals back, all of my funded accounts, pretty much basically in one day, because I just really want to get back to trading on live. And I think I might switch up my strategy a little bit. I realized that on 10 trading days, I only need 150 bucks a day to reach the profit target. And I've been aiming for a lot more, to be honest. And I think that's what's been holding me back. So on 3 micros, 25 points is 150 bucks per trading day. So I think that's a really reasonable target, and I can definitely pull out 25 points. Potentially, I just need to partial more aggressively, since I've been taking trades of like 20 points, but then only taking off 1 out of 3 micros, and then the other 2 would get stopped out at break even. So then when I take a full loss, I'm taking it on 3 micros, but then when I partial, I'm only taking off 1 micro, and maybe I should be trailing my stops more aggressively. So to be honest, what I was already doing is working. I just need to keep my patience better, and remember that this is a marathon, not a sprint, because it does hurt a little bit. I mean, those accounts were worth 800 bucks. So now I need to spend another 800 bucks to get 4 more. So that's nothing to scoff at. And I realize that it'll be better if I'm just more patient, because otherwise I'm going to end up buying more accounts, and I feel like that's pretty wasteful. Either way, so that's what I've been up to, and hopefully we have some nice conditions the next few trading days. The market has been looking a bit funny, but to be honest, I think this is starting to look like some nice price action. I like the immediate rebalance on the daily, and we have this fair value gap down in here, which is my ultimate target. And there's a lot of range until there, 600 points. So I think we can get some nice trades. But that being said, tomorrow is NFP, so I'm probably going to take it a little bit easy. A new month has started, and with that come more opportunities. So I'm going to take my time this time, not be impatient. And to be honest, it's not all that bad. Pretty much after 1 max payout, I will have remade all of my losses, and there's no rush for that. So if I can get a payout in 1 or 2 months, then that would be amazing. I only kept the first funded accounts for 2 weeks before ultimately blowing them, and that was due to impatience, and I realized that 2 weeks is a very short time, so there's no reason for me to be that uptight about it. But that being said, I'll see you guys in the next few days, and have a good weekend.